Basically, content is a piece of information placed in a certain media in a format defined by that media. For example, the article in a newspaper or on a website is the piece of textual and visual information or content. The podcast or radio show will be an example of audio content. A video like this, placed on YouTube or TV channel, will be a video content. When we talk about social media content, we mean any forms of the content mentioned above placed in any social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and so on. User-generated content, or UGC, is the content created by users for their own purposes, but may also contain or mention brand products and services, and actually may be used by brands to promote their services and products. Branded content in its turn is the content produced or sponsored by brand and placed in media to promote directly or engage people around their products and services. Each piece of brand content created to solve particular marketing or business task of the brand. In social media, common goals are the following. Brand awareness and attraction is making people discover you in social media, like you, and follow your brand's account. When we talk about engagement and evaluation, we talk about engaging the community around your product, building trust, educating people on your product. Conversion, it's mostly informing people about the product itself, giving them additional reasons to buy, working with barriers. Some of these goals may overlap within the content, but they all should lead to sales, as sales is actually the main marketing goal. In the end, by content strategy, we mean the certain choice of media platforms, set of different formats and types of content used on these platforms that balance together in a best way to achieve marketing goals and still be interesting to the audience. So when you think about content for your brand, think of it like your own magazine or TV channel that has a variety of programs for different people, for different occasions, but all united under one theme, the territory that your brand communicates on. Cooking, traveling, lifestyle, cars, everything that is connected to your brand and your product. So on this channel, you basically entertain people, educate them, and put your ads from time to time. If you have anything to add on the topic, please leave a comment and subscribe to get more videos on growing and enhancing digital presence of your brand.